Located at the bottom, the lead cap provides a pointed opening where the lead can be ejected. This is the lead cap. The eraser. Inserted at the top, it can erase lead particles from paper, wood, or other mediums it has been applied on. The eraser can also be removed, allowing it to be replaced, like so. It also provides an opening where lead rods can be loaded into the lead reservoir tube of the mechanical pencil. The clip. Located at the top, the clip can clamp around t-shirt breast pockets, allowing for hands-free carrying and easy access. This is the clip. The grip. The grip is a finger grip used to hold the mechanical pencil while writing. The grip is located on the lead cap, right here, as you can see it. The lead sleeve. The lead sleeve is a hollowed casing designed to wrap around the lead rods. The lead sleeve outlet strengthens the lead and prevents it from breaking while writing. This is the lead sleeve. The lead reservoir tube. The lead reservoir tube is a plastic casing designed to contain the leads before they are pushed into the lead sleeve. You can see the lead reservoir tube through the body of the pencil. It actually looks like this. The body of the pencil. The body of the mechanical pencil is a hollow plastic casing designed to protect the internal mechanisms of the pen. The chuck. The chuck is a plastic piece that is connected to the lead reservoir tube and hold them together. The chuck is right inside here, and it holds the lead reservoir tube and the chuck ring together. The chuck ring is a small metallic piece over here that holds the chuck and the lead reservoir tube inside the body of the pencil. The spring. The only purpose of the spring is to be able to have the clicking mechanism to push the lead out. In the next video, you will learn more about how to maintain your pencil in good condition and how to properly use it.